Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing your syllabus and your paper pattern for your English literature paper. The paper is divided into three sections: Section A drama, Section B poetry and Section C prose. There will be a total of 9 questions in the paper, 3 questions in each section. Out of these 9 questions, you have to attempt any 5. It is compulsory to attempt at least one question, minimum one question from each section. That is one question from drama, one question from poetry, and one question from prose. You have to attempt at least one question from one section. The remaining 2 questions, they are of your choice. They can be attempted from any section. Each question is divided into sub-question. The total marks of one question is 16 marks. If the question has 5 sub-questions, then the mark distribution will be 3 marks for first 4 questions and the last question will be for 4 marks. And if the question has 3 sub-questions, then the mark distribution will be 4 marks each for first 2 questions and the last question for 8 marks. And in case there are only 2 sub-questions, the mark distribution will be 8 and 8. And in case no sub-questions are given, then that single question will be worth 16 marks. To summarize, there will be around 25 sub-questions. The maximum marks will be 80. The remaining 20 marks will be from your internal assessments, that means your unit tests, and the time duration will be 2 hours. So keep in mind, you will get around 4.5 minutes to attempt one sub-question. So value your time. Don't write unnecessary things in the answers. Many students, they write the first 2 questions or 3 questions very long, very deep, and the answers contain lot of unnecessary stuff. As a result, they don't get enough time to complete the last 2 answers. It can be seen that their writing is poor, they have not understood the question properly, or they have not read the question properly because they were writing in a hurry. So avoid these mistakes. Talking about books, you have 2 textbooks. One is Merchant of Venice, that is your drama. Then the other is Treasure Trove. This book is a collection of poems and short stories. The story section is also called prose. You also have 3 workbooks, one for each, one for drama, one for poetry and one for prose. There is no need to make any notebook for the literature portion. You will be doing all the exercises in your workbooks. The final term examinations will be conducted by the board. It means the question paper will be made by the board, not from the school. Then your syllabus. In Merchant of Venice, your syllabus is from Act 1, Scene 1 up to Act 3, Scene 1. In poetry, you have the first 6 poems, and in the stories, you have the first 6 stories. So this is your syllabus for this year. I am showing some images of sample paper that is given by the board. I will give link in the description below, so you can download these sample papers from the website. You can download, these are in PDF format. If you are unable to view it, go to the Google Play Store and download Drive PDF Viewer or any PDF viewer, and you can see these sample papers on your phone.